Hey you guys, my name is Bianca Shanice and I'm here with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. So today's video, I decided to do me a cut crease, and it's colorful, a nice colorful cut crease, smoked out up under my eyes. But if you would like to see how I created this beautiful look, please stay tuned and keep on watching. I will be using this concealer as my base for my eyeshadow so it can be pigmented. Now I'm gonna go in using this green shade right here. And I'm gonna put that in my crease and blend it out. Then I'm gonna go in using this darker green and place it up under that green. First, I'm just dab the colors up under where I laid that first shade. Just dab it like that. Then I'm gonna go and blend it. Then I'm gonna go back into that lighter green shade and blend those edges. Now I'm gonna cut my crease. Now I'm just gonna dry it down and blend these edges out where I put that concealer so it won't look so harsh, like a line. This shade right here is like a cool color. And I'm gonna lay that down in the corner. And the next shades I will be using is this pink right here. And towards the end, I'm gonna use this dark purple. And as you can see, I'm just patting. I'm not like swiping, I'm doing patting motions. So now I'm gonna go into my SAHARAN palette by JUVIA'S, and I'm gonna use this black shade, Chad, and I'm just gonna apply it towards my end. So now I'm just gonna take my NIVEA cream and moisturize my face. So now I'm gonna use the FENTY Beauty foundation and the Kiss foundation, and I'm going to mix these two together. Now we'll be using my ELF Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish. And I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and it's in the color Caramel. And I'm just going to use this to brighten the other concealer. The other concealer I just used it to conceal. take my Wet n Wild banana setting powder and set all those places that I highlighted. Let me use this to bring some hydration back into my face. And now I'm going to use my e.l.f. concealer to contour. Then I'm gonna go back into the crayon case, the MacBook, and use this purple shade and smoke up under my waterline. I'm gonna go into that pink. Line my lips with this dark brown pencil. So I'm gonna use this like pinkish, nudish, grayish, like stone color. So here's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions on any products I use in this video, it will be in the description box down below. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.